Today I'm here to show you some really awesome new products I just got. I'm sorry my makeup is a little bit rough. I've been out of the makeup game for about like a month now, trying to recover from gum surgery. I'm still really swollen. I'm still really finding it hard to talk. It's hard to close my mouth, but I got these products and I've really been wanting to show them off, so I figured recovery is still going to take a little bit longer, so let's just do this while we can. So the awesome new products I got are from Buxom, and you guys know that I really love Buxom. I super love their lip plumpers and lipsticks and glosses, and I'm super loving their mascara, which I had the other one and I just ran out, so I'm so excited I have a new one to try out. So they sent me the Buxom Lash Mascara in Blackest Black, and it says it separates and defines lashes. I'm really excited to try this. Oh, I'm so excited. And then they sent me the new Buxom eyeshadow holder. It's got this really cool like metallic-y case, and it's textured. And they sent me all these new fun fall shades. They sent me 7 of their new fall collection shades. This fits 6, so I have one separate. And I haven't used these at all. I very lightly swatched them on my arm, but I haven't tried them on my eyes at all. So I'm really excited because today I want to try to make a makeup look using their new fall shades. Something that's fun, kind of sophisticated for fall. I'm very excited. Hopefully it looks great because I know that these shadows are amazing, and I know my skills aren't where they should be right now because I've been out of the makeup game for like a minute. But let's go, it's a makeup tutorial, let's do it. First, I'm just gonna begin by lining my upper water lines with a black eyeliner. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, that's so much work. Next, I'm gonna grab my fluffy brush and I am going to use this shade right here, and it is called High Kicks, a nude with a gold glitter. And I'm gonna put that right above my crease. Ooh, it's so pigmented. Like, I just dipped my brush in it so lightly, and already we're getting so much color payoff and no fallout. I'm gonna bring that into my inner corner a little bit, just so that area kind of hollow out that whole eye area we have there. And I'm also going to wing this out a little tiny bit. Hi. Next, we're gonna grab the shade Best Life, and this is a red. And again, I'm just gonna grab that on a fluffy brush. I haven't seen these colors yet on my lids. I just kind of want to play it safe. Ooh, this is actually so pretty. It's like ruby red. It's got a little bit of a glisten, like a little bit of a shine to it. I really like it. Alright, so I'm just putting that right below my crease, very lightly adding more color and blending that out and bringing it down into my inner corner. Wing that out ever so slightly. Or, you know, a lot, whatever. Yeah, a lot. So I'm gonna make this more of a dramatic look, I guess. Ooh, I actually really like that color. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Next, I'm gonna grab like a more dense brush, and I'm going to just go in the, like right on the crease with it. I just wanna get a good amount of pigment on my crease itself. And I'm gonna go in my outer corner with this too. This is starting to look like a candied apple. A little bit. I'm getting candy apple vibes for sure. Next, we're gonna go in with Unapologetic, which is like this matte brown. Again, I'm starting off with it on like more of a fluffy brush, a blending brush, and I'm just applying this to my outer corners and kind of blending that up to the outer part of the crease. Now we're looking like a caramel apple. I'm loving it, I'm loving it. Then I'm gonna grab like a little tiny round brush, and I'm just going to apply this a little bit darker, a little bit deeper in my outer corner. Ooh, I really like how this color looks. It's so pretty. I love how matte it is, and it just, all these are just blending so nice into each other. Alright, yes. Yes, ma'am. Next, I'm just gonna grab a little tiny bit of concealer, not much, you can't even really see it, and I'm gonna just clean up this whole area. So I'm basically creating like a little bit of a cut crease, but I'm not gonna go too dramatic with it. So I've got my little tiny bit of a cut crease going on here. Now I'm gonna grab this really cool holographic type of green. It's called a Moneymaker, and I am going to get that on the small brush. I'm gonna really like pack that on there. Make sure there's a good amount of product. And then I'm gonna put that in the middle, but like more towards the outer corner. Kind of green that up a bit. I want to blend it in with the brown, blend it in with the red a little bit. Wow, this color is amazing. It is so green. I'm obsessed. Yeah, I love that green. That's so gorgeous. Can you guys see that green? It's so gorgeous, so pretty. Just gonna grab a fluffy brush and just blend this out a little tiny bit. Then I'm gonna grab this, which is Top Shelf. It is like an iridescent type of purple. I'm gonna grab it on my finger and I'm gonna put it just right in my inner corner. I love this color so far. This is really, really pretty. And then my last step is I'm going to grab this little beauty, which is all Access. And I'm just going to really lightly with my pinky grab it, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Oh my gosh, it is so highlighty. It is so pretty. Yeah, I love that. And I'm gonna tap it just below my eyebrow to give my eyebrow some highlight. Oh, hi there. Alright, next we're gonna use this shade. It is the Hustle shade. And this will be all of the shades. This will be all 7 shades. So I'm gonna grab this on a fluffy brush and I'm gonna apply that just right under my lower lash line. Sorry, I'm not using a mirror, so you just saw me poke myself in the eye a little bit. Oh, that's actually darker than I thought it was gonna be, but it's actually really, really lovely. Like, I thought it was gonna be much lighter, but it's not. And then I was gonna do a brown under, but I actually really love this green, so we're gonna use more of the Money Maker. I almost just stuck my whole finger in it. And I'm gonna use like a precise little liner brush and I'm going to apply that just on like right under my lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my lashes and use this Buxom mascara. This is my first time even opening the package. I'm pretty sure this is the mascara I was using before and I absolutely love this mascara. It is my favorite. So let's go ahead and apply it. Now I don't have a mirror, so let's hope I don't poke myself in the eye. This mascara is making my lashes look so long. I really love this. Here's both my lashes with the mascara. The mascara is so dark, I absolutely love it, and it really just opens up my eyes. But I'm gonna throw on some falsies because this dramatic look, you get some dramatic falsies, and then I'll be right back. Hello, so I'm back. I put on some falsies and I put mascara on the bottom lashes, but I just made a discovery. All right, grab your setting spray. Spray it on wherever you like to highlight. Ta-da, spray. Grab your Buxom palette, grab your new fall shade, that really light shade that we used on our inner corners. You don't need to put a lot, but put a little bit on a highlighter brush and get blinded. It's actually an amazing highlighter. I did it on this side and I was like, oh my goodness. Like, I thought it would be pretty, but I didn't know it would work so well. So I'm really impressed. I'm living for it. And I just put it here. And I just highlight everything and I just get really glowy. Oh, look at my little glowy nose. It's the glowiest nose in the world. Basically, I could not be more impressed with these eyeshadows and mascara. The eyeshadows are so pigmented, they blend so easily, they're so vibrant, and the mascara is so dark and doesn't dry out your lashes. It really separates them and lifts them. I feel like a fall goddess right now, and the eyeshadow also doubles as a highlighter, so I'm obsessed with that, and I'm just like blown away. I'm so excited. If you guys like this look, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you want to see again. If you want to see another makeup tutorial, I'm definitely down. I would love to use this green shade more because I am living for this green. This green is like my favorite. Thank you again, Buxom, and thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I love you.